Kurdistan Choning Bashim. So welcome to my channel. We're gonna do some Kurdish to all my Kurdish followers from around the world, because you know I'm international. So you guys requested Aram Shaida. Aram Shaida. So I don't remember him. I don't know if we reacted to him. But if I do, I am so sorry. It's hard to keep up. Okay, so we're gonna give it a whirl. Hopefully I like it. It's like one of those songs that it's very traditional, very Kurdish. So let's go. Oh yes, I like those type of songs too, cause like you can go like this, you know. Okay. Daima kerma kwa or kerma ka? It's like, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Because he goes like this. Can you hear me? Maybe, I don't know. Dam harashi demir. I am so sorry. I'm trying to practice, okay? Okay. Hey, I mean, at least he go like this. Kurdistan kanyang song. It's very danceable. Like I just wanna go like this and go like this. You know. Is this a party? I don't know. Like I still don't get what is this, but it sounds good. Oh. Oh, excuse me. Oh, that's so like that sounds mystical. Let me see if I can do it. Yeah. No. Oh, maybe I can do that. I mean, he sings good because like the vocal range is good. Kuridam marshama. Kuridam marshama. Oh, shani bien. I don't know what you're saying, but sounds good. So, is this like freestyle? Like they just make this song up? It's not a song, they're just making things up? Ooh! So, You know I only need a little bit and I start like, you know. I'm sorry. Okay, he is good. I like him. Hey! Kurdistan puchana. Okay, I like him. Well, there you go. I really like him. His voice is really good. He seems like he can do so. If you guys want me to review him again, let me know. Or if you have another singer that I need to review, let me know too. Thumbs up this video, and I really like him. Like, I really do. It's very weird for me to like people, but he is good. Okay? So, more Kurdish to the screen, and I'll see you on the next one.